Introduction. In 2024, staying updated with the latest trends and products will be crucial for both personal and professional growth. This guide will help you navigate through various platforms and sources to discover the most fashionable and innovative products on the market. Step 1. Identify your interests. Before diving into the world of trendy products, it's essential to identify your interests. This will help you focus on platforms and sources that cater to your preferences, making your search more efficient and enjoyable. Step 2. Follow influencers and bloggers. Influencers and bloggers are the trendsetters of today's world. They often have their fingers on the pulse of what's new and popular. Follow popular influencers and bloggers in your niche on social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. They will keep you updated on the latest products and trends. Step 3. Explore social media platforms. Social media is a goldmine for discovering trendy products. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok have dedicated hashtags and communities that showcase the latest trends. Join these communities and explore relevant hashtags to stay updated on the newest products. Step 4. Subscribe to newsletters and websites. Many websites and newsletters are dedicated to curating and showcasing the latest trends and products. Subscribe to these resources to receive regular updates in your inbox. Some popular examples include BuzzFeed, Refinery29, and High Snow Beauty. Step 5. Attend trade shows and events. Trade shows and events are excellent opportunities to witness the latest products firsthand. Attend events in your industry or area of interest to get a glimpse of the upcoming trends and products. Step 6. Utilize e-commerce platforms. E-commerce platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy are great resources for discovering trendy products. Browse through their trending and bestseller sections to find popular items in various categories. Step 7. Join online communities and forums. Online communities and forums like Reddit, Quora, and Facebook groups can provide valuable insights into the latest trends and products. Participate in discussions and engage with fellow enthusiasts to stay updated on what's new and exciting. Step 8. Keep an eye on fashion weeks and launches. Fashion weeks and product launches are significant events in the world of trends. Keep an eye on these events and follow relevant news sources to stay informed about the latest product releases and trends. Step 9. Monitor trend reports and predictions. Trend reports and predictions from reputable sources like WGSN, Trend Watching, and Pinterest can give you a heads up on what's going to be popular in the coming months. Regularly check these reports to stay ahead of the curve. Step 10. Trust your instincts. Lastly, trust your instincts when it comes to identifying trendy products. If something catches your eye or feels unique, don't hesitate to explore it further. Personal experiences and gut feelings can often lead you to discovering the most exciting products. Conclusion. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to discover trendy products in 2024.